The question is e raised to power x 1 plus sin x upon 1 plus cos x dx. Now let us reduce the question so that we can easily apply the formula. Now we are having 1 plus, now what sin x can be? It can be 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 upon 1 plus cos x, that is 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Okay. Now we are having integration of e raised to power x 1 upon 2 cos square x by 2 plus 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 upon 2 cos square x by 2 dx. Now this becomes e raised to power x 1 upon 2 secant square x by 2 plus tan x by 2 dx. Now splitting it into the two integrals, we are having integral half secant square x by 2 e raised to power x dx plus integral tan x by 2 e raised to power x dx. Now what we are having, d by dx of tan x by 2 is equal to secant square x by 2 with 1 by 2. So which is the first function now? We are getting this as a first function. Okay. So we will be writing the question as tan x by 2 e raised to power x dx plus integration of 1 by 2, either write outside or write inside only, 1 by 2 secant square x by 2 e raised to power x dx. Now integrating by parts first integral. Now what we are getting? We are getting, taking this as first function and this as second function. Is it clear? So tan x by 2 integration e raised to power x dx minus d by dx of tan x by 2 integration of e raised to power x dx plus this term half secant square x by 2 e raised to power x dx. Now this becomes tan x by 2 e raised to power x minus integration of, now d by dx of tan x by 2 is what? Half secant square x by 2. So half secant square x by 2 e raised to power x dx plus half secant square x by 2 e raised to power x dx. Okay. So what the final answer is now? Final answer is, these two cancels, e raised to power x tan half x plus c answer.